Alright, so today we'll be introducing ourselves and telling you guys a little bit about our family. So, my name is Brianna. This is my daughter.
Okay.
And we're going to tell you a little about our background and how we've been living, basically. So, we live in a scheme where the rich people live.
No, we are not rich. You don't have no money.
You have to just pretend. Okay?
Okay.
And America goes to school in a Lamborghini.
In a taxi.
You have to just pretend, okay? So start over. Okay, guys, so we are very rich. I drive a Benz, and I bought my daughter a Porsche.
No, she did. She's lying and she don't have no money to pay. Duh.
Anyway, guys, last week we went to Panama.
We never did. You never went on a plane before.
Okay, so guys, we went to Panama and we came back.
We did not. we never went on a plane before.
So we came back a few days ago, right? And then we went
No.
to people don't know watching. And then we went to Price Mart to get some grocery.
No, we never did. And we never went to Panama.